Hello and welcome to another foundation phase session. During the summer term the schools will have their very own sports day, so today we're going to have our sports day at home. We're going to do 5 different events and we'll go through those events with you one after the other. First we're going to have a little warm up to get us ready. Children ready? Okay, we're going to start jogging from spot to spot. Well done, changing direction. And when I shout the colour, we're going to have to find a spot of that colour. So red. Well done. And off we go. Yellow. Well done. Off we go. Green. Fantastic. This time Griff's going to shout the colour, okay? Off we go. Yellow. Okay. Good job. And last one, and Gwentley's going to shout this one. Orange. Orange. Fantastic. Have we warmed up? Yeah. Okay, so we're ready for the first event. So we're ready to start with our first event. A couple of things for you just to think about. If you've got more than one child that can compete against each other like we've got here, then they can have races against each other. If it's just you at home, then you're able to time how fast you do the races, and then you can try and beat your times the following days. So the first race we're going to have is an egg and spoon race. Griff has got a spoon and a little ball. To make it easier for Gwentley, we've got a tennis racket and a toy. So you ready to go? On your marks, get set, go! So keep balancing. To your red cones. Actually, even more now. And turn round. Well done, and back to the start. Fantastic. Well done. Our next event is the javelin, but we're not going to be throwing javelins, we're going to be throwing Wellington boots into targets. So the children have got 6 Wellington boots each. You could use trainers or shoes as well. You ready? Off we go. So how many can we get in the box? Well done Griff, good shot. Aye nesa, Gwentley. Gad hwnna fod i nesa. Fantastic. Well done Griff. Last one. Oh, one more. Well done. The next race we're going to do is a balance race. So we're going to use something to put on the head, and then we're going to be walking around the course. And we've chosen to use a cone, but if you've got a bean bag or just a bag full of some soft toys, that will do the same thing. If the cone falls on the floor, the children need to pick the cone up and put it back on their heads. Are we ready to go? On your marks, get set, go! Keeping the head upright and still. Gwentley, round the teeth. Round for them. I know how to pen. Round for them. And all. Pick it up. Good boy. And again. Well done. And back to the start. Fantastic there. Well done Gwentley, excellent. So we've reached our last event, and this is the running race. Remember, we've shown you 5 different games today, but you can do different things depending on the equipment that you have at home and also what you like doing. Children, you ready for the last race? On your marks, get set, go! So round the red cone, back to the start, and again. And back to the start. Fantastic, well done.